Ha? Bagi ba anak kalam? Bagi anak kalam. Muna yung wheel pan sa Camaro. So duha ka yung magnet nga nasa kinaon rin na normal na ito sa kinaon na doon. Okay. So guys, so this is a transmission for Camaro, 8 speed. So this is the valve body and solenoid assembly. This is the pump. This is the housing. Okay, and the torque converter is here. So this is the transmission for Camaro 2017. Okay, so I want to show you the body. Mashallah, alhamdulillah, mashallah. See, mashallah. Okay, this is the wheel pan now, clean, very good. Okay, and they have a oil, this from Wakala. The customer buy this oil, not a sponsor. The customer buy this oil. Okay, and have a filter. Have a filter inside this carton. Okay, and we have a limited slip for a transmission slip or something. He fix this Lucas, and this is not a sponsor. This the customer buy this parts. Okay, so he want to change the transmission fluid, and inshallah it coming good. Okay, so we have more some Instagram. Yeah, Instagram mapping. Allah. Anta. No, Instagram, YouTube بس.
Instagram إن شاء الله. هو كله سعر سبورت أنت يجي. كله سعر سبورت.
So this is the manual for processing for the change the transmission fluid. So we have a temperature here, how many degrees to check the correct level. Okay, so if you say we have a manual, can you read 2017 Camaro? So we have a standard procedure here to change the transmission fluid. Okay, so make it the car it's good, not damaged. Okay, mga Okay, so guys, so now I already start the car, and the temperature is 44 degree Celsius. So I already put a new oil with Lucas. So this is the filler plug. You put the oil here. So we have like this rubber tube. So this is you close this and open. Okay. So you put the oil here, and you check the ITF fluid level by this bolt. Okay, but make sure the temperature is 55 and 65 degree Celsius before you make a check. Okay, so now I'm waiting because the temperature is still 44 degrees Celsius. So I'm waiting to hit the correct temperature, and I will make check the level. Okay. So this is the bottle, empty bottle. So 2, 4, and then 5. Okay, 5 bottle and 2 Lucas, and seem like 900 ml. Okay, so totally 2, 4, 6, and 2 bottle for Lucas. Okay. So now guys, the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, 48, 48, 49. So now I will make shifting again. You need to shift the shifting lever 3 seconds from P to R. 1, 2, 3. So in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1 into D. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Parking. Okay. So now the temperature is 54 degree Celsius. Okay. So if this temperature is coming to 55, so we try to check the fluid level. Okay. So make sure the temperature is in the correct degree. Okay. So now it's already 55, so we can check the correct fluid level. Okay. Transmission fluid temperature. Okay. So this is the display in the front. There. Okay. See. You can see in the display the gauge for temperature for the transmission fluid. Right. See. So this is 40, so 50 and 55. Okay. So now guys, we're ready to procedure to check the fluid. So if you see this bolt, so just open. Okay. So now the fluid is coming out. Just leave it because have a like tube inside for the level. Okay. So let it the car idling, and then leave it until the fluid is slowly dripping, and then close the check plug. Okay, now it's good. So you can return this check plug. Okay. So now this the level is good now. Kita malum sawi.
ايوه
صح؟
تعال تعال شوف فلوس تعال تعال نصور اول فلوس تعال
Kita malum kip sawi tariga video
فلوس جاي فلوسات انا في اول دوره.
Oh, hello mga idol. So dara mga idol oh. So kung makita niyo mga idol, Camaro gani siya mga idol. Camaro 2017 model, so 8 speed automatic transmission. So we changed the automatic transmission fluid for this car Camaro. Okay.